I am where I am today because of Fawad Khan. Yeah, बचपन में I remember बचपन में I used to have posters of Imran Khan and Bachchan Saab in my room. I mean, I'm too old to have posters of Fawad Khan in my room, but if I could, I would. खुदा का वास्ता है जो जोक्स है ना उनको वेजिटेरियन रखें प्लीज, ये फैमिली चैनल है.
We've got a familiar face from Pakistani drama industry with us today. She's known for her roles in critically acclaimed shows and those unforgettably hilarious Ramzan dramas that had us laughing our heads off. Because she is coming back to the screen in the highly anticipated project Barzakh alongside Fawad Khan, Sanam Saeed on Zee Zindagi. And guess what? She's got a big connection with Indian Link too. Hi, Uzma. Should I say welcome to Indian Link? Or should I say welcome home?
Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you so much. Memories of Sydney, man. Sydney. I have some very special memories of Sydney and my radio show and all my wonderful callers. It for me, it wasn't even like work. It became so personal at a certain point. Or we all became like a family. With my callers, I became like a family with them. Literally, to the extent where I was invested in their problems and I was resolving their issues on air and off air. And
For those who don't know, Uzma was the morning show host on Indian Link Radio for nearly a decade.
really nahi, a full decade. So 2004 to 2014, 10 saal pura. And
Wow.
2015 mein then I did my goodbye show.
Right. So, what was the best part about hosting a show for the Desi community in Australia?
Arey, the best part of hosting a show with them is that we're all on the same page with the thinking. You know, हम सब देसी हैं और हम सब देसियों की तरह सोचते हैं. We all understood each other's jokes and way of thinking and each other's weaknesses और हमारे जो culture के कुछ स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स होते हैं और कुछ हमारी कल्चर की जो डाउन साइड है जो भी है वो हम सब
Yes.
बड़ी अच्छी तरह से समझते थे. एंड इट वाज वेरी नाइस. It was like just sitting in your lounge and chatting with friends. It was very cute.
Yeah, and do you remember any funny incidents that happened while you were an RJ?
मुझे एक
Go
दफा
ahead.
याद है मुझे एक दफा याद है मिसेस क्लेयर होती थी एक मेरे फर्स्ट कॉलर जो थे ना वो एक ही वाज अ वंडरफुल जेंटलमैन कॉल कर्नल क्लेयर. तो
Okay.
उनकी बेगम थी मिसेस क्लेयर. तो वो मुझे फोन करके कहती हैं एक दफा कहती हैं मैंने ना एक हमारा जोक डे होता था तो मैं कहती थी खुदा का वास्ता है जो जोक्स है ना उनको वेजिटेरियन रखें प्लीज, ये फैमिली चैनल है. वो फोन करके कहती है उस्मा मेरे को जोक हैगा ते मैंने कहा सुना दिया. मैंने कहा मेरी बात सुने वेजिटेरियन ही हैगा ना. तो कहती है हाँ हाँ ऑफ कोर्स. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा. मैं आई ट्रस्टेड हर. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है चले सुना दे. फिर मैंने कहा एक सेकंड जरा मुझे ऑफ एयर भी सुना दे एक दफा. The most non-vegetarian joke ever. And I was like, what? This is not vegetarian. कहती है ठीक ही है. मैंने कहा नहीं ये बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है खुदा की. This is not going on air. आप क्यों मेरे पीछे पड़ गई है? So that was quite funny. And
Yeah.
so I had this kind of a relationship with my callers where we were very informal with each other. And that is the level we operated on. It was wonderful.
Yeah. And are you in touch with any of your regular listeners?
I am in touch only with Sarita Kalra and with basically and Manzar Mirza. These are one of my very purane callers. Oh, they're on my Facebook actually. So they're on my personal Facebook. Sarita Kalra, Manzar Mirza, Sonal Wahi, and Rashmi. Rashmi used to sing like a nightingale. और
Yeah.
so ये तीन चार हैं जो कि और जो कि हाँ who are in touch with me basically. But other than
That's
that,
so sweet.
even Bhakti, I remember there was a Parsi lady called Bhakti and she's also in
Okay.
touch with me. So ये कुछ है. But I remember, my callers, Ajit Haku, he was one of my, regular callers. He always called and अरे वो पता नहीं कहाँ गई, प्लीज अगर पता चले तो मुझे बताना। एक गार्गी जी थी, शी वाज इन अ नर्सिंग होम, शी हैड बीन मूव्ड
Okay.
देयर। सेठी जी थे। आई वुड वांट टू नो अबाउट ऑल माय सीनियर, मेरे सीनियर लिसनर्स बड़े very dear to my heart. Vimla
Right.
ji ka to she, Vimla ji passed away. It was so sad. She was one of my
Yeah, yeah.
wonderful, lovely, lovely listeners, जो बड़ी अच्छी poetry कहती थी.
हाँ जी.
And yeah, so you've just now you brought back all these memories, and I'm walking down memory lane.
But having said that, can you still do the Australian Aussie accent? या
I
भूल
I
भुला
could
गया है?
never do the Australian accent. I could never do the Australian accent because I wanted to act in Australia, because I'm an actor. So
Hmm.
this was something I did because acting gigs for a desi in Australia were few and far between.
Right.
It was very hard to break into that market. Like I'm
Hmm.
not blonde, I'm not blue-eyed. Up to, I don't know, maybe the scene has changed, but at that time we were
Yeah.
kind of exotic. Exotic एक
Yeah.
term होती है, तो वो उसके लिए फिर you have to be put forward for specific kind of roles.
Hmm.
शुरू में मैंने सोचा, let me, because I can do many accents, so I thought
Hmm.
let me get my hands on this Australian accent ताकि मुझे ऐसे 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 acting jobs मिले. There was a coach called Bill Pepper. I think
Yeah.
he was also the acting coach for Russell Crowe or someone.
Yeah.
Russell Crowe ही था, मुझे सही तरह याद नहीं है, but he was a hot shot voice coach. जब मैं उसके
Hmm.
पास गई और उसने मुझे ऑस्ट्रेलियन एक्सेंट की वॉइस कोचिंग शुरू की, तो मैंने कहा, ओ हो, या अल्लाह मुझे माफ कर दे, ये तो मेरे पास की बात नहीं है. बिकॉज even if I do it, I will not sound
Hmm.
authentic. Australian accent is one of those accents that you can only do properly if you are born there
There.
and you grow
Yeah.
up there. That, like
Hmm.
my daughter was born and brought up there. She only lived there for 9 years, and then we moved to
Yeah.
Dubai. तो
Yeah.
और वो अभी 18 की हुई है इस साल, तो वो
Huh.
9 साल से
Huh.
यहाँ, आधी जिंदगी उसकी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में गुजरी है, आधी यहाँ पे, बट still, and she, because she's been going to an international school, she has
Yeah.
no accent. She
Right.
hasn't, she has a normal accent. She's not
Hmm.
speaking in any kind of accent. But if you ask her to speak in an Australian accent, she will get it absolutely spot on because she was born there. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I just thought, ये तो होने नहीं वाला. There goes my career as an actor in Australia. So you have to have that Australian accent also, which I didn't have.
Right.
So I was
Right.
disadvantaged. But so I got the Indian Pakistani, ज़्यादातर अरबी roles, जो कि मैं किसी को
Roles.
बताती
Huh.
भी नहीं हूँ. हाँ, because पूरा वो, अरबी रोलों में तो पूरा हिजाब
Covered
पहना
up.
के वो
हाँ,
करते
हाँ,
हैं.
hijab
हाँ,
बना के. Right. To take you back to your acting days in Australia,
yeah,
you already had a degree from London in film
yes,
direction and film studies,
yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
you wanted to break into the industry. Yet,
yeah.
like you said, that there were challenges. So, like, what kind of challenges did you face as a South Asian actor?
I had a degree from London
Yeah.
in film direction, a master's degree, and
Hmm.
I also did the director's master class from Melbourne University in
Okay.
in
Uh-huh.
in Melbourne, and
Mm-hmm.
I did various. I went to acting school in Australia. I joined this voice thing. I really did a lot, to kind of make sure that I get on the road with my acting career in Australia. But
Hmm.
बहुत challenging था, Tosha. It was if you're familiar with Australian series, I don't know about what's happening there now because I've
Yeah.
completely
Yeah.
lost touch. But
Yeah.
आजकल तो मेरे ख्याल से 2014 onwards, I made the decision to move in 2014.
Yeah.
2014 onwards, काफी देसी 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 सीन वहाँ पे शुरू हो गया है.
शुरू हो
बट
गया
उस
था. Right.
पर जब मैं वहां गई थी 2003 में, वहां कोई ऐसा सीन
कुछ
नहीं था.
नहीं था.
नहीं था. So I struggled a lot that way, and
Hmm.
I used to if you watch Australian series, कितने उसमें देसी लोग नजर आते हैं.
Hmm.
देसी लोग नजर आते हैं। अगर आप ब्रिटिश सीरीज देखोगे तो उसमें हमेशा टोकन एक देसी गाय जरूर होगा, राइट?
True.
एक
Yeah, yeah,
देसी
yeah.
फैमिली जरूर होगी। बट ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ऐसा नहीं था। सो
Huh.
आई वाज रियली जेनेरिक इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया। तो इट वाज वेरी चैलेंजिंग, वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग। फिर एक
Hmm.
फिल्म बनी थी अन इंडियन के नाम से।
Hmm.
This friend of
Jet
mine,
Li.
Anupam, this friend of mine, Anupam Sharma, directed it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I wanted to play the mom in the
Hmm.
mother, जो सुप्रिया पाठक ने play किया था in that, and so I auditioned for that role 3 times. Because I said, Anupam, you have to do this for me. You
Hmm.
know I'm
Hmm.
right for this role. And he said, there's a difference. You look so different from Tanishta Chatterjee. Tanishta Chatterjee. How am I going to explain
That you
Tanishta
are her
Chatterjee
mother.
being your daughter, and
Yeah.
also you don't look old enough to be, because remember this was all happening in 2013.
13. Yep, yep.
2013
Almost.
was
Yep.
11 years ago. I was much
Yeah.
younger then. So he said, how are you going to look like the mother of Tanisha Chatterjee? Dusra, how the hell are you going to look like the grandmother of a 10-year-old child? So मैंने कहा I don't care, Anu, you have to do this for me, blah blah blah. खैर, to be fair to him, he did. I was there. I auditioned 3 times. He said, "You're not looking old enough." फिर मैं साड़ी पहन के गई, जूड़ा
Yeah.
बना के गई, फिर मैं फूल लगा के गई, फिर मैंने और किया, वो to look the part. And I also sat for the first reading. I read as the mother.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there were people in his team who were saying, "We love Uzma. You should go with Uzma."
Yeah.
But I think he took the safer option. Obviously, I don't blame him. It was his first movie. He said, "मेरी पहली movie है, तू मुझे मरवाएगी," you know. And this was a very major role. And I said,
Yeah.
this woman is comedy. This woman is the comedy in the movie. Let me do this
Yeah.
woman. But
Yeah.
he went with Supriya Patak, and he didn't go with me. I was so angry.
Angry.
Tosha, I was so angry. That was the decision. I said, I don't want to live here anymore. That's the
Yeah.
decision. That was the time I decided
Uh,
yeah, that was the deciding factor that made me realize that I need to move. It's never going to happen
and
in
are you guys
Australia.
still friends? Do you
Oh yeah,
still have hard feelings?
absolutely. Arey, not at all, not at all. You see, he's a very dear friend of mine. Look, I mean, if I were making a movie, I would want to play it safe as well. I wouldn't want to go for a woman who doesn't, because he's right. He said, देखो ये जो ड्रामा सीरियल्स वगैरह होते हैं उसमें बहुत टाइम होता है एस्टैब्लिश करने के लिए कि, और टू गेट यूज टू द फैक्ट कि एक यंग औरत एक बड़ी उम्र की औरत का रोल कर रही है, राइट? बट
Hmm.
बट ही सेड मूवी में तो 90 मिनट्स होते हैं। तो 90 मिनट्स में मुझे ये एस्टैब्लिश करना है कि तुम बड़ी उम्र की हो, एंड व्हेन यू नॉट इवन लुकिंग द पार्ट, ये वो, इट्स जस्ट
It has
सो
to be
वो
effortless. They look like you've put in a lot of effort there.
Yeah, he said prosthetics,
Yeah.
ये वो पूरा इतना ड्रामा करना पड़ेगा, please. So he didn't go with me, and I was absolutely heartbroken. बल्कि मेरी एक दोस्त है वहाँ पे सिडनी में, her name is Mona. She always tells me कि you should thank Anupam. You should thank Anupam. I tell everyone who's young and trying to make a life for themselves, the amount of the amount that failure teaches you, no amount of
Hmm.
success teaches. So the
True.
times that you are let down, the times that you were not able to succeed, the times that
Hmm.
you didn't get there are the times that teach you everything,
Yeah.
you know.
True. True. Absolutely true. Like
Yeah, so
again.
it was a great thing. Imagine करो अगर वो मुझे कास्ट कर लेता और वो मैं मूवी कर भी लेती तो मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ही रहती. I would have missed out on all this. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, Australia's loss, and I mean, you're still reaching Australia. Like let's say,
हाँ.
medium or bada hai
Yeah,
somehow.
and you won't believe it. The moment I moved, while I was shooting Angan,
Yeah.
I got an offer from Australia for an
Yeah.
ABC की series, for an
Huh.
ABC की series, मेजर सीरीज,
Yeah.
जिसका वो टाइटल रोल उन्होंने ऑफर किया.
And then, like, why? Like you had
I
date
was shooting
issues.
Angan. I was shooting Angan.
Uh,
There was no way I could have gone. I was in the middle
yeah.
of that intense shoot. Angan ka shoot was so intense. It was 5 months of rigorous shooting.
True.
And
Yeah.
being away from the family for so long and in the cold
Mm-hmm.
वजीराबाद में हमारे कपड़े इतने पतले थे कि you could read a magazine through them और वो अंगीठियां हमारे हम बैठे होते तो अंगीठियां बेड के नीचे रखी होती थी तो एक दफा तो मुझे लगा शायद मेरे नीचे आग ही लग गई है so
No, so
that was
and
pretty
like talking about the Pakistani television industry, was it easy breaking into the industry again after like so many years? Because I know you were sort of a part of the industry, late 90s, early 2000s. But I mean, what was
Alhamdulillah,
it like for you?
Alhamdulillah,
Because
Alhamdulillah.
so many years you've lived in Sydney, and all this while did you keep in touch with what was happening? Shows dekhte the
Yeah.
kya tha? Because like you're saying,
तो
you are
ना ही
not in
पूछो
touch with
I
you
was
are
not
not
in
in
touch
touch
with what.
with
No, I was not
yeah,
in
yeah,
touch with
sorry.
anything. मैं कोई शोज नहीं कुछ भी नहीं देखती थी टू द एक्सटेंट कि मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था फवाद खान कौन है कैन यू बिलीव इट मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था फवाद खान कौन है और बट व्हेन आई वेंट बैक आई आई सेंट माय शो रील to Hum TV and I got a call back immediately and I never looked back.
Yeah.
So
And this
that was
was
just
in
wonderful.
2014?
That was 2015. So
15.
the first drama I did was what happened was मैं छुट्टियों में गई मैं छुट्टियों में
Mm-hmm.
गई थी और मैं बेसिकली दिसंबर में गई एंड दिसंबर 2014 में मैं गई थी और मैंने वापस आ जाना था एक महीने बाद जब मैं लाहौर पहुंची तो आई जस्ट पुट ऑन फेसबुक कि मैं आई एम हियर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम तो मुझे फॉरन उस वक्त मुझे फॉरन एक ड्रामे की ऑफर आ गई तो
Mm-hmm.
जैसे मैंने लगाया फेसबुक पे तो मैंने कहा ओह दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग व्हाई डोंट आई डू दिस बिकॉज आई वाज ऑलरेडी कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग ऑल दिस मेरे
Yeah.
दिमाग में एक प्लॉट चल रहा था कि मुझे बस अब
Yeah.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में नहीं रहना मुझे कुछ करना है तो तो मुझे जब आई तो
So
मैंने
you
कहा
were
कि ठीक है मैं कर
secretly manifesting it. You were secretly manifesting
I
it?
was secret.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
telling you, when you really want to do something, the entire universe conspires to make it happen for you. What are the chances? मैं छुट्टियों में लाहौर गई और उसी वक्त this producer director was making a drama serial in Lahore, and he
Mm-hmm.
immediately he cast me in a major. It was like almost like जो हीरोइन की कजन का रोल था and
Okay.
it was a massive, fabulous role. And that
Yeah.
drama was called Rame Dil, and
Yeah.
the director, yeah, so it was Zulfikar Haider, who happens to be
Hmm.
a dear friend also. तो
Yeah. Yeah.
मैंने Facebook पे I immediately realized Uzma is going to be here for a while. Let me cast her. So he cast me.
Yeah.
उसके बाद मुझे वो मैंने कर लिया फिर मुझे as I was socializing with everyone मुझे और
Hmm.
ऑफर्स आने
Hmm.
शुरू हो गए तो मैंने अपने मियाँ को कहा कि अभी मुझे अप्रैल में एक और ड्रामा करना है विच इज हैपनिंग इन कराची और फिर जून में मुझे लंदन में एक ड्रामा हो रहा है मुझे वो करने जाना है तो मैं पहुंचूंगी आपके पास जुलाई अगस्त तक तो ही
Yeah.
सेड नो डोंट डू दैट यू कांट डू दैट एंड आई सेड आई कैंट एंड आई विल I've had enough. So when that happened, we decided to move to Dubai. It was the best option
Yeah.
for us.
So one after the other, you got projects after projects, but I think
I didn't
so.
take them
Let
because
me.
my husband, हाँ वो
Yeah.
वाले मैंने
Sorry.
नहीं लिए वो वाले मैंने
Ah.
नहीं लिए My husband said please अभी यहाँ पे वो नहीं होती क्या उसको कहते हैं ईस्टर ब्रेक है
Yeah.
तो
Easter break. Yeah.
मैं बेटी के साथ दुबई आता हूँ तुम भी दुबई आओ एंड we'll move to Dubai okay but please don't do these other projects right now तो मैं रिटर्न टिकट लेके गई जस्ट इन केस दिस इज अ ट्रिक टू गेट मी बैक टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया और वो मेरी रिटर्न टिकट जाया हो गई बिकॉज
Hmm.
ही वाज वेरी स्वीट एंड हाउ मेनी हस्बैंड्स डू यू नो हु मूव्ड कॉन्टिनेंट्स फॉर देयर वाइव्स आई कांट थैंक हिम इनफ
That's so sweet, and in fact, it shows like all the hard work you've put in back in Australia. I mean, in the sense that, all those acting master classes, all those auditions and everything, sort of वो मेहनत का फल मिलने लगा था, शुरू just हो गया था.
I had a private coach. So
Hmm.
I had a private coach who used to prepare me for auditions. Matlab,
Right.
what all did I not do in Australia? Her name is Natella. She's Russian, and
Yeah.
I absolutely love her. God bless her.
Yeah.
I I literally made every audition I went to, thanks to her.
Hmm.
So yeah, it's behind me now. Thank God. Thank God I made a move again. Thank you to Anupam.
So coming to Barzak, from there,
Yeah. Oh my
one
God.
of the
Yeah.
one of the most anticipated dramas, and there's not one but two Fawad Khans and a
I
Sanam
know.
Saeed.
Yeah. No,
So
so
after
I'll tell you
Zindi,
something about I'll tell you something about
yeah,
Fawad Khan.
yeah, yeah,
I am where I am today because of Fawad Khan. You didn't
yeah.
know
Okay,
that. You didn't know
okay.
that.
Mm-hmm.
So Fawad, what happened was I think 2014 में एक movie release हुई थी खूबसूरत.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember?
14,
And
yes.
उसमें मैंने ये हॉट हीरो देखा एंड आई थॉट ओ माय गॉड ये कौन है और उसकी इतनी नफीस उर्दू इतनी खूबसूरत उर्दू बोल रहा था और फिनोमिनल एक्टर एंड
Yeah,
हॉट वो नहीं वो उसमें एक सीन नहीं था वो जो जिसमें वो कहती है सोनम उसको मैंने सोनम को भी इंटरव्यू किया हुआ है बाय द वे
yeah, yeah.
रेडियो में सोनम उसको कहती है हाय तुम्हें देख देख के तो मुझे गंदे गंदे ख्याल आ रहे हैं
क्या हुआ?
वापस गंदे गंदे ख्याल आ रहे हैं यार विक्कू.
So like I was watching a खूबसूरत and
Hmm.
I was thinking यार obviously ये इतना hot है इसको देख देख के तो आ ही रहे होंगे इसको देख कर देख यार and and I went back अच्छा फिर मैंने नाम देखा मैं पीछे बैठ गई मैंने कहा ये कौन है कोई नया एक्टर आया है फिर मैंने नाम देखा फवाद खान अगले दिन मैंने रेडियो पे जाके कहा मैंने कोई मूवी देखी है और मैंने कोई बंदा देखा है आप लोग बेहोश हो जाएंगे आप लोगों का कोई बॉलीवुड का कोई नया एक्टर आया है एक नया खान आ गया सीन पे और ये खान तो ही इज जस्ट माइंड ब्लोइंग खान आ गया हिज नेम इज फवाद खान पर मुझे मेरे कॉलर्स ने फोन करके कहा उस्मा जी ये हमारा नहीं ये आपका है मैंने कहा है कि व्हाट तो दे सेड कि ये आपका फवाद खान है आपने हमसफर नहीं देखा आपने मैंने कहा नहीं तो दे सेड आप हमसफर देखें देयर इज अ ड्रामा कॉल्ड
Hmm.
हमसफर
Hmm.
पाकिस्तानी फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया तोशा पाकिस्तान में तो अमेजिंग ड्रामे बन रहे हैं बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर्ड पुराने जमाने में पुराना जमाना बाय पुराना जमाना आई मीन जो 80s और 90s में बड़े
Right, right.
हाइप होती थी नहीं नॉट 90s में
80s and early 90s. 80s and early
हाँ
90s.
आई
Yeah.
थिंक सो समथिंग लाइक दैट वो
Yeah.
जब वो जमाना जब धूप किनारे
Dhoop
एंड
Kinare and all that, right? Hmm.
and all those fantastic serials were coming
Hmm.
out of Pakistan.
Hmm.
तो फिर उसके बाद वो आ गया था सैटेलाइट टीवी आ गया था then I personally lost touch with Pakistani dramas and we
Content.
all started
Yeah.
watching The Bold and the Beautiful and satellite TV and all the all kinds of stuff. So वो फिर मुझे I forgot फिर मुझे नहीं पता कि पाकिस्तानी उसमें क्या सीन पे क्या हुआ I completely
Hmm.
lost touch like you said.
Yeah.
एंड देन जब मैंने फवाद खान को देखा मैंने कहा व्हाट फिर मैंने सबसे पहले मैंने एक सीरियल देखा था उस जमाने में जब ये बातें चल रही थी तो मैं आई डोंट नो मुझे टाइमलाइन एग्जैक्ट नहीं पता मैंने
Yeah.
फवाद खान का हमसफर देखा और मैंने
Yeah.
मेरा साईं देखा नुमान इजाज का एंड
Huh.
आई वाज ब्लोन अवे बाय बोथ दी सीरियल्स एंड आई थॉट यार मेरी कंट्री में ये काम हो रहा है और मैं यहाँ बैठी हुई हूँ सो मैं फवाद खान को फॉलो करती करती कराची पहुंच गई and that was the thing and can you imagine when I got the offer for Barzakh अच्छा जब इन्होंने बरज़ख के लिए मुझे कॉल किया ना the assistant producer called me
Hmm.
and said so Uzma ji इस तरह से है we're shooting in Hunza and it's a mini series and it's this and it's that and it's मैं तो अपना ना no thank you, no thank you, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry वाला speech ready कर रही थी बताने के लिए, because I was completely inundated at that time.
Right.
I was about to start shooting for Bacha Begum. I was
Hmm.
about to start shooting for Hum Tum, you know, the Ramzan
Yeah,
series.
yeah. Another
I had
Ramzan
been,
series. Yeah.
but
Yeah.
उस वक्त I had been roped into Kala Doria as well. And I said, how
Hmm.
am I going to do this? तो मैं तो अपना thank you but no thank you वाला स्पीच प्रिपेयर कर रही थी, तो उसने कहा कि द डायरेक्टर, while he was speaking, he said the director is Asim Abbasi, you know, the director of Cake. उसी वक्त मेरे दोनों कान खड़े हो गए. मैंने कहा केक,
Cake.
Cake is one of my favorite movies. And I thought, Asim Abbasi, Cake? Yes. Yes.
Hmm.
मैंने सोचा, I don't know, I'll bloody jump hoops to accommodate these people, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. And I really had to jump hoops, Tosha. That was a very, very difficult time for me. मैं दुबई तो आ ही नहीं रही थी उस जमाने में. I was going
Huh.
from one place to another. I was doing प्लेन्स, ट्रेन्स, ऑटोमोबाइल्स, पागलों की तरह मैं इधर एक शूट से दूसरे शूट पे जा रही थी,
Huh.
which is not my style. I prefer
Yeah.
to do one
To
project at a
dedicate
time.
yourself. Yeah. Dedicate yourself to one
Yeah.
project at a time.
Get
Right.
immersed into one role and then get out of it, and then get into another one. So I prefer that. But उस वक्त तो मैं पागल हो रही थी just to accommodate that. उसके बाद मैंने आसिम अब्बासी का नाम सुन के हाँ कर दी. उसके
Hmm.
बाद उन्होंने कहा, by the way, मैंने कहा कास्ट क्या है, तो he said फवाद खान and ज़नब से. मैंने कहा what?
What?
This is getting better and better. फवाद खान, मेरे तो मैं तो आसिम अब्बासी का नाम सुन के हाँ कर दी. फवाद खान का नाम सुन के I had a mini heart attack. That was the story. इतने साल हो गए हैं मुझे खूबसूरत देखे हुए, but I just can't get फवाद out of my. एक होता है ना, ये तो एक लंबा ही क्रश हुआ है मुझे फवाद का. एक ऐसा क्रश मुझे सबसे पहले इमरान खान पे हुआ था बचपन में.
Okay. Huh.
बच्चन साहब पे हुआ था, whom I also interviewed
Huh.
in Sydney. अमिताभ बच्चन, उन पे हुआ
Huh.
था, और फवाद खान. I don't know if you've met him, but to get to know him
I
a little
have.
bit
I
as a
have
person,
met her.
you know, to get to know him a little bit as a person is like, it's like a treat. He is a breath of fresh air. He is such a nice soul. He's such a good soul. He's a very nice person. A lot of actors say they're down to earth or
Hmm.
pretend to be down to earth, but they're actually not.
Hmm.
Fawad Khan is a person who is literally down to earth in every sense of the word. There is, there is that, there is that down to earthness in his eyes. You can look into his eyes
Humility.
and tell
Yeah.
what a well grounded, amazing person this man is.
Hmm.
You know, like I have deep respect for that man. He just carries himself with so much grace. एक दफा क्या हुआ, हम बलूचिस्तान में शूट कर रहे थे,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
एंड मतलब बहुत गर्मी थी. बलूचिस्तान का वेदर इज, यू नो, इन February इज अ बिट स्ट्रेंज. सो
Hmm.
दिन में इट्स वेरी हॉट और रात में इट्स वेरी कोल्ड. तो हम वहाँ पे कर रहे थे, तो देयर वाज नो प्लेस ओवर देयर. वो कुछ माउंटेन्स में शूट था, तो हमारे
Hmm.
यू नो वैनिटी वैन्स थे. तो फवाद हैड हिज ओन वैनिटी. फवाद की वैनिटी खराब हो गई.
Hmm. Hmm.
And the superstar that he is, he didn't say कि okay, there are 3 vanity vans. अगर मेरी खराब हो गई है तो the hell with it, give me another one. बाकी लोग
Hmm.
जाए
Hmm.
भाड़ में. That guy sat in his car the entire time with the air conditioning running and
Hmm.
did not hog anybody else's vanity. And
Hmm.
he was just, I get goosebumps when I talk about Fawad Khan. That is how I don't know, I regard him very highly. And you know
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
happened? I asked him. I messaged him the other day and I said, you know, there's a charity which is very close to my heart. It's run by a friend of mine who has dedicated her life to just you know, doing stuff for
Hmm.
others.
Hmm. Hmm.
तो उसने एक फाउंडेशन बनाई है एंड देयर
बनाया।
वो अपने घर अपने फार्म हाउस पे उसने स्कूल बनाया, चैरिटी स्कूल
हम्म
बनाया है जिसमें वो पढ़ाती है बच्चों को. उसने टीचर्स हायर किए हैं एंड इट्स ऑल फॉर impoverished kids. I sent a lot of my actor friends
हम्म
this
हम्म
message. And I also sent it to Fawad, right?
हम्म
Very few of my dear friends who are actors messaged me back. Fawad responded and he said, "Let me
हम्म
look into this." He
हम्म
looked into it and he followed them. Fawad is not following anybody. I think Fawad is following, he has like a couple of million followers and he's like following 19 people. Now 20 because he's also following Dastra's foundation. You know, I
Yeah,
couldn't
yeah.
believe it. I was like, look at this guy. And I just messaged him back saying, what can I say, Fawad? I'm just speechless. This guy never fails uh, I don't know,
Astonish.
yeah, to exactly, that's the word I'm looking for. Yeah, it was
And
wonderful
is
working with
it
him.
the I mean, it's off topic and it's something that I want to ask. Is it the same foundation where I think Kashif Nisar recently shot his show? That
That's right, that's right. So
yeah.
God bless Kashif. काशिफ को भी मैंने बताया था. मैंने कहा प्लीज
Huh.
वहां पे शूटिंग को आप ज्यादा से
Because
ज्यादा
Bilal के साथ post आई थी
हाँ
and वो मैंने देखा था and I remember the name from
हाँ.
there.
Bilal Abbas is another phenomenal actor, by the way.
Yeah.
He's there right on top of my list. But I tell you, but ये जो मेरे तीन है ना,
Hmm.
इमरान खान, अमिताभ बच्चन एंड फवाद खान, इनकी जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता.
We'll do.
So yeah, बचपन में I remember बचपन में I used to have posters of Imran Khan and Bachchan Saab in my room. I mean, I'm too old to have posters of Fawad Khan in my room, but if I could, I would. अच्छा नहीं लगता अब. इस किस्म की चिचोरी हरकतें करना. But I have deep respect for him. He has a wonderful wife. Sadaf is
Yeah,
fabulous. They're
yeah.
just a beautiful couple, and his chemistry with Sanam is just it's fantastic. You've seen his chemistry with Sanam
Outstanding and outstanding, and
yeah,
we're waiting that to see them again
Sanam
together.
is yeah. Sanam again is such a phenomenal actor and such a beautiful person. Asim,
Yeah, yeah,
the director is he's got such a great sense of humor. He's such a funny guy. He's such a fun guy, Asim, and he's so
yeah.
creative and he's such a perfectionist कि एक बाल भी इधर से उधर नहीं हो सकता आसिम के प्रोजेक्ट में. So
Project में.
working with Asim was something that blew me away. It was every bit as amazing as I had imagined it to be, having seen his work.
From what I have understood, this story involves humans and spirits, and from the poster, I have gathered that you are one of the spirits. Am I right?
I cannot say. I cannot say. How have you gathered that? Where did you gather that? I'm not going to say anything.
Uh,
I'm bound by a very tight NDA, madam.
no, so like one of the interviews again, I saw that you shared one of the stories while you were traveling to Hunza with Sanam, like how scared you were, and she
Sanam is
sort of
such a
like
sweetheart.
held you tight कि कुछ नहीं
सनम
होगा.
का बस नहीं चला. हेल्ड मी टाइट तो उस बेचारी ने कर ही लिया. उसका बस नहीं चला था कि वो मुझे जहाज से बाहर फेंक देती. शी वॉज एम्बेरस्ड, so embarrassed of me, you have no idea. मैंने उसको पहले से बता दिया था कि सनम I will be in the flight. She was like, oh, we're traveling together, by the way. I said, lucky you, I'm going to be going Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar throughout the flight. And she said, no. I said, uh-huh. And she's like, no. I said, that's right. You have just won the lottery, Sanam. So, but she was amazing. God bless her. Sanam is a wonderful person.
So
I love
anything
her.
like with other star casts, like any funny incident that you can remember from the shoot that you can share with us, considering you can't share much of the plot with us anyway, which I'm going to speak to you later once
अच्छा
once the show is
एक
released
एक
and
सीन था, एक सीन था जिसमें मैंने ना बकरी उठाई हुई है, राइट?
Okay.
मुझे प्रॉमिस किया गया था कि
हाँ,
इट्स अ बकरी का बच्चा, राइट?
हाँ,
तो यू नो आई लव एनिमल्स, बट मैंने कभी कोई भी बकरी नहीं उठाई अपनी जिंदगी में, ना कभी कोई मुर्गी उठाई है। आई मीन आई एम अ डॉग लवर, आई एम स्केर्ड
हाँ,
ऑफ कैट्स। तो मैं तो
हाँ.
कभी बिल्ली भी नहीं उठाई, मैं बिल्ली उठाई है बट बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल बिल्ली, राइट? बहुत ही दिस इज अ प्रोफेशनल
Professional
कैट,
Billy.
नॉट
What's
टू
a professional Billy? What
like
is a
you know
professional Billy? I would like to know.
trained cat, trained cat, so professional बिल्ली। बट अदरवाइज कुत्तों के अलावा मैंने ना किसी चीज को अपनी गोद में नहीं लिया। मैंने कहा आप बकरी उठा लेंगी, ऑब्वियसली मैं ये तो नहीं वहां पे जाके कह सकती थी नहीं मैं बकरी नहीं उठाऊंगी, सो ऑब्वियसली मैंने कहा उठा ही लूंगी, बट दिस इट्स अ बेबी गोट। तो आई सेड अच्छा, हाँ ओके उठा लूंगी। Baby goat? Like that was a huge understatement. It was a teenager bakra that was handed to me, and I was like, "Are you freaking kidding me? I am supposed to carry this teenager bakra? No." So, anyways, and with Asim's perfection, it took a long time to do the scene, and me and the bakra decided to कभी अपना
How was
मुंह
the
में घुसा।
feeling?
शुक्र है जब कट होता था तो वो बकरा जल्दी से कोई आगे मुझसे ले लेता था, बट आई वाज लाइक गेट दिस बकरा ऑफ मी, गेट दिस बकरा ऑफ मी, फॉर गॉड सेक।
Uh,
और अच्छा एक और मजे की बात, मैं बड़ा कंप्लेन कर रही थी कि मुझे सर्दी लग रही है, मुझे सर्दी लग रही है। वहां पे ना हुंजा में रात के वक्त इट वाज ब्लडी फ्रीजिंग, सो इट वाज
yeah,
लाइक
yeah,
माइनस पता नहीं क्या जो भी था। मुझे
yeah,
तो लग रहा
yeah,
था मैं हुंजा में नहीं हूँ, मैं कनाडा में आ गई हूँ। तो खैर मुझे बताओ, दिस इज एंड नवंबर, राइट? ऑलमोस्ट
yeah,
दिसंबर, दिसंबर फर्स्ट
yeah.
दिसंबर में तो आई थिंक हुंजा बंद हो जाता है, वहां पे रास्ते वास्ते बंद हो जाते हैं
हाँ,
वहां पे।
बर्फबारी होती है, हाँ.
हाँ, तो ये एंड नवंबर में तो सोचो कौन जाता है हुंजा। मुझे तो यही एक चीज, मैं इसीलिए तो उनको मना करने वाली थी जब उनका जी हुंजा में शूट है, नवंबर में शूट है। मैं आई वाज सो बिजी विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द सब, वो आसिम का नाम सुन के आई जस्ट वेंट रनिंग। By the way, best thing I ever did, when you have
हाँ,
so much fear of flying,
yeah.
the only way to face it is to get into a put ATR, which was going, that ATR took off from Islamabad, put gad 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 gad, and I was like, oh my god, एयर होस्टेस का ऑलमोस्ट हाथ ही तोड़ दिया मैंने रो रो के। खैर मैं बता रही थी कि मैं बड़ा कंप्लेन, मुझे मैं कह रही थी फवाद को, मैंने कहा उफ मुझे इतनी सर्दी लग रही है, मुझे इतनी सर्दी लग रही है, मुझे इतनी सर्दी लग रही है। एंड ही सेड या मी टू। मैंने कहा यू टू क्या, स्वेटर पहना हुआ है, ऊपर से जैकेट पहनी हुई है, नीचे पता नहीं कितनी लेयर्स तुमने पहनी होंगी। तो ही सेड मेरा स्वेटर गीला है और
Oh,
मेरी अंदर की लेयर्स गीली हैं।
hmm.
आसिम इज सच अ परफेक्शनिस्ट कि अगर कुछ गीला है तो वो थ्रू एंड थ्रू गीला होगा, आसिम
Oh,
इज दैट। बंदा कहता है ना कि अगर गीला गीला है तो
तो चेंज
क्या,
करा दो.
अगर डार्क ग्रे स्वेटर है तो क्या नजर आएगा, अगर गीला ना भी हो
Hmm.
तो
हाँ.
एक शॉर्ट में क्या होने वाला है। बट
Hmm.
आसिम सेज नो, अगर गीला है तो वो गीला ही होगा, वो हम सूखा करके नहीं पास कर
नहीं
सकते
लगा.
हैं।
हाँ, हाँ.
That's the level of perfection that Asim has. So फवाद said मेरा स्वेटर गीला है, तो मैंने कहा है, and that man never complained. मैं वही तो कहती हूँ, मैं utmost respect for फवाद।
So when do we see you back in Sydney?
Tosha, I am going to Sydney in October. My daughter
Okay.
is going to start university there, inshallah. तो उसको
Uh-huh.
ड्रॉप ऑफ करने, उसको सेटल डाउन करने, उसको टाटा कहने और ढेर सारा रोने के लिए मैं जाऊंगी, बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग इवेंट इन अ मदर्स लाइफ जब उसका बच्चा
Mm-hmm.
यूनिवर्सिटी।
Any message for our Indian Link listeners?
पता नहीं वो मुझे अब अभी तक याद मैं उनको याद भी हूँ कि नहीं, आई डोंट इवन नो मैं उनको क्या मैसेज दूँ। इट्स बिन 9 years, भूल भाल गए होंगे नहीं। Wouldn't they have forgotten me? I don't even know.
But they know Uzma Beg the actor now, so it will
They
always
don't
be
know.
nice to hear
No,
from
but
you.
I think when I go back, I'll definitely go on air and say hello to everyone.
Yeah,
If they're still around, पता नहीं कितने लोग होंगे, कितने लोग नहीं होंगे. मैं तो मेरे senior listeners उस ज़माने में सेठी जी was 88 years old, and मेरी
yeah, yeah.
oldest listener थी, मैं उनके घर गई.
Huh, huh.
उनका नाम अब मुझे भूल गया. सुंदरलाल गुप्ता जी थे, I think. सुंदरलाल गुप्ता जी थे, I think. I'm not sure.
Possibly because
मैं
yeah.
Another person I'm in touch with, one of my listeners is Raj Saneja ji. So Raj
Huh.
Saneja ji मुझे लेके गए स्टूडियो आए और मुझे लेके गए उनके घर सुंदरलाल गुप्ता जी के घर.
Mhm.
He turned 90 that year. So
Okay.
we surprised him and went and met him personally. You know, his whole life, like he was at the age of 90, all he did was listen to Indian Link Radio all day. It was so cute.
How
It was so
sweet.
cute.
How sweet.
सीनियर सिटीजन से उनकी उनकी लाइफ में मतलब उनकी मोबिलिटी कम हो जाती है उनका. तो वो बेचारे घर बैठ के सारे रेडियो ही सुन रहे होते थे. सो इट वाज
Mm.
सो वंडरफुल to chat with them, to hear them,
Mm.
and to be a part of their lives.
That sounds lovely and looking forward to watching you in Barzakh. Thank you so much for talking to Indian Link and giving your
Thank you.
time.
Thank you. Thank you for having me, Tosha. It was wonderful to talk to you and walk down memory lane and क्या-क्या यादें जिंदा कर दी फिर से. One
The
gets so
pleasure
caught
is
up in
all
one's
mine.
life, everything goes, at the back of the mind, and suddenly now I'm reliving the entire experience with you. Thank you for having
Hmm.
me.